One of the reasons why I really focus on working with manufacturing is, number one, it's part of my background. I spent 13 years in industrial sales in manufacturing, including 7 years in the welding industry. And yes, I weld, and yes, I have the burns to prove it. But what happens is that people have always looked at either I go to college or I go into the trades. And there's going to be this lapse in talent that's available. You spend so much time and effort and money to bring that employee into your company, and then 2 weeks later they go down the street for 50 cents more an hour and you have lost that investment. So when we look at the shrinking talent pool of people that are looking at manufacturing as dirty, as I don't want to get my hands dirty, as labor intensive, of all of these things, we need to change the language about manufacturing. I've read so many different research studies that show that there could be up to 5 million manufacturing jobs that go unfilled by the year 2020. If we don't take the steps now, if you as leaders in manufacturing organizations don't take the steps now to try to create those relationships, build that commitment, build that foundation of trust, you're not going to have workers to come to work. We need to start to keep the good people that we have now. We need to find ways to attract them by creating the type of culture, the type of workplace that people want to work for. And then when we bring them in the door, we need to figure out what we need to do to keep them, because those are our most valuable resources, is keeping the people that work for us, that are going to make the products, that are going to keep the quality up, they're going to relate to the customers, that do everything that we can to make your business as productive and profitable as you possibly can.